Welcome to Learn Chinese. In the previous videos, I taught you about Chinese phrases and words to enhance or improve your pinyin. In this video, I will talk about the three middlemen to help you solidify or enhance your pinyin to a new level. So these are the three men. I, U, Yu. Okay, we've learned these three alphabet before. But for this part, we see that they can combine with finals, okay, to form a new syllable. So they are divided into three parts, okay. This is the part for the E, and this is the part for the U, and for Yu, it is easy because there's just one exception here. So let's break down the E. Okay, so there are total 5 of them. So the E that can combine with a single final or combine a single vowel, like this one, or either with combined or compound finals or vowels, or just a vowel with another alphabet or letter. Okay, so but the pronunciation is different. The E can combine with A, so it's pronounced as ya, ya, ji, ya, ji, ya, jia, 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 jia means home. Ji, ya, jia, jia, jia. E goes with it doesn't pronounce as yan, yan, which is equivalent, which is the same as this pinyin, okay? Yan, sometimes you will see a Chinese character, marked with this syllable or pinyin above the character. Actually, their pronunciation are the same, but the writing is different, okay? So when you write, you see, if you write like this, the pronunciation is the same. So they simply just removed the I, the E, So it writes like this. Yan, E-N, yan, tian, 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 tian. It means a sky or a day, I, ao, yao, xi, ao, yao, xiao is the, and we see the tone here is the falling tone, right? Xi, ao, xiao, xiao means a smile or laugh. Xiao. And this is a final, right? We've all learned this. Yang. So if it goes after the initial G, then it pronounces as Ji, Jiang, Jiang. Jiang, this is the Chinese character that pronounces as Jiang. It means the river. Okay. Yong. 一 yong yong, qi yi, and this is the second tone, okay, the rising tone. Qi yi qi yong chong, and this is Chinese character chong. Chong means poor. Yeah, like I'm poor. 我很穷. I'm poor. Okay. And so there are 5 of them. Okay, 5 of them. Remember this 5? Remember this 5? Okay, so whenever you are reading like the simple Chinese articles, and then you will come through this pinyin, so you should know how to pronounce them and read them. Okay, 咿呀呀，鸡呀家，一安烟，特烟天，一凹腰，西药笑，一昂央，鸡一昂江，一翁庸，七翁七庸穷。Okay, now it comes for the u part. Oh, same here, right? So the u that goes before vowel or single vowel or combined vowels or even finals. Okay, u a wa he wa hua means flower. Flower, yeah, the beautiful flowers, the colorful flowers. U o wo de wo do. First tone, yeah, high flat tone. De wo do. If you are not familiar with the like single vowel or compound or combined vowels or even the finals or the initials, yeah, if you are the first time watching my video, and then you can just go to my YouTube profile to check out the previous videos about Chinese pinyin and alphabet. Okay, and then you will understand what I'm talking about here. Okay. 多 means many, a lot. 乌哀歪歌歪乖乖 means it usually used to describe like kids, okay, or someone who is very obedient, someone who behaves well. Yeah, always behaves well, or most of the time, yeah, behaves well. Especially to describe kids, okay, or children. 乌安欢 means happy or merry. Yeah. 乌安 squeeze your nose, okay. 乌安 喝汪 rising tone, second tone. 黄 is a color, yellow 黄. Okay, now it's the third one and the last one. yeah, 鱼. So the difference between u and u is that the u is marked with 2 dots. Yeah, here. 鱼 and yuan. So this is a bit special, especially for its pronunciation. Okay, it's yuan yuan. Some people will pronounce it as yuan. Some people will pronounce it yuan. So you should tell like the nuance or the slight difference between them. Yeah, some people like people from the north part of China, they will pronounce it as like yuan, yuan. But for people from the south, most likely, or in most cases, they will pronounce this as yuan, yuan. Okay, G1, G1, zhuan, zhuan, G1, G1, zhuan, zhuan, zhuan. Zhuan means donate. Donate, like you donate some money to a Red Cross or to a community. Yeah. So remember, there are 5 of them, and also there are 5 of the this, yeah, for the U, and just one for the U, sorry, and just one for the U here. So you should memorize all this. Okay, and thank you for watching. Yeah, if you like my video, yeah, remember to subscribe, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.